Hello students, welcome to my channel Science World, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment and share with your friends. Also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified by my upcoming videos. Okay, so today's topic is revolution. What is revolution? In our last video we have discussed about the rotation of the earth. So revolution is the movement of earth around the sun in a fixed elliptical, or we can say oval path called an orbit. So here you can see this is the sun at the center and this is the earth. So earth is moving around the sun in a fixed path, okay, and the shape of this path is elliptical, or we can say oval. This is oval shape of the elliptical path of the earth, and this path is known as orbit. It is known as the orbit. So what is revolution? It is the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed elliptical path called an orbit. Okay, then how much time does the earth take to complete one revolution? The earth completes one revolution in 365 and 1/4 day, or we can say 365 days and 6 hours. So this is the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution around the sun. Okay, then in our solar system video we have discussed about the time taken by different planets to revolve around the sun. Here the Neptune, the planet Neptune, it has the longest path. Longest means it takes the maximum time to cover this one revolution or complete one revolution around the sun. So Neptune takes 165 earth years, or we can say 59,800 days to complete one revolution. So it is the longest time taken for the revolution by Neptune. In the same way, Mercury takes the shortest time. Mercury takes the shortest time, that is only 88 days. Means in 88 days it completes one revolution around the sun. Okay, so we have also discussed in that video about the other planets and their revolving time. Okay, so what happens because of this revolution of the earth? What are the events that occur? So the most important, that is seasons. Okay, so these seasons, why they occur, that we will see. The earth experiences a cycle of 4 seasons that we know, and these 4 seasons are summer, autumn, winter and spring. In India we have rainy season because we get rain in particular months. Okay, that's why we say it is a rainy season. So we have summer, autumn, winter and spring seasons. Then question is, why do seasons change? What is the reason that why these seasons keep on changing after few months? Okay, so the answer is, seasons change because earth revolves around the sun. This is the first reason. Earth revolves around the sun. This is the first reason why seasons change. And the second reason is, it is tilted. We have seen in our last videos that earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. Okay, look here. This is the axis of the earth in which it moves or it rotates. Okay, so it is tilted and this angle is 23.5 degree. Okay, so this is the reason. The tilting of the earth is the another reason why seasons change. So we have two reasons. First is the earth revolves around the sun, that is the revolution of the sun, and the tilting of the earth at an angle of 23.5 degree. Okay, so if the earth was not tilted, what would happen? If the earth would not tilted, what would happen? See, we will not experience summer and winter. Summer and winter seasons will be not there. Then polar regions also would not have winter to develop ice caps and glaciers, and weather and climate patterns would be different. See, this because of this tilting, this equatorial region of the earth, this equator is there, equator of the earth. So because of this tilting, when the earth is revolving around the sun, different parts of the earth are coming in front of the sun, है ना, and because of that different part of the earth are getting a different amount of sunlight, and this is the main cause of changing in the season. If the earth would be not tilted, then what will happen? Only a fixed part of the earth will come in front of the sun, and that part will have the same climatic conditions, or we can say same seasons. Okay, so that is the reason. So first we will not have summer and winters, then polar regions. Here we even because of this tilting of the earth, these polar regions like southern pole, south pole and north pole, these polar regions are also getting sunlight, okay, because of the tilting of the earth. So it is very important. And weather and climate patterns of different parts on the earth, they would be different if the earth would not be tilted. Okay, so this is all about the revolution of the earth and why seasons change. Okay, so we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.